Here's a good one. A horse walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "Hey, no animals in here!"
Knuckles, what happened?
If I had to guess, I'd say I was knocked into a wall.
Correction. Pummeled into a wall.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Fox hunting.
Good thing I took that shadow boxing class.
Don't worry, Knucks, I got him!
That was almost too easy. About time you showed up, slowpoke.
Shadow, what have you done?
Any last words, Sonic?
Yeah. Volcano Wonderpants!
What? That doesn't even make it. You have the reflexes of a panther.
Is that an insult? I thought panthers were fast.
Maybe compared to you.
This footage is even better than I imagined. I gotta go home and program it into my game.
Why are you doing this, Shadow?
You'll pay for the things you said about me.
You mean that stuff Eggman recorded? I didn't say anything bad.
What are you implying?
I don't know, what are you inferring?
That Eggman manipulated that footage to manipulate me?
Yeah, he'll do that.
I cannot allow Eggman to make a fool of me. He must pay for this.